Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I did a video the other day using the attribute eyedropper, and then one of my viewers, subscribers, gave me a tip that I didn't even really know was there, so I kind of learned something today. When we get the attribute eyedropper, and you take a sample of it and you put it over there. But while you're in the attribute eyedropper, up here is transformation, and you can go rotation. So let's say this one was rotated 45 degrees. And then you messed up and you go, I want all these at 45 degrees. Well, you don't even have to have an attribute or a color in there. You could do all of them. But we're going to take the attribute eyedropper and go to transformation and have rotation and take a sample and pour it into these pots. And it not only puts the interactive fill tool, it rotates them. Let's try doing this. Let's try putting this back to 0. And let's just use the attribute eyedropper, transformation, rotation, take a sample. Well, it doesn't work. Well, why did it work there? Maybe I didn't take a sample. Let me make sure I just got one copy, and I do. I've already got rotation picked. There we go. So if you ever had an instant where you needed to turn something, and I'm not saying at 45 degrees, say it's an odd amount, 22 degrees. So I'm going to do a little research on this, position, size. I think it'll do a lot more than I think it will. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.